Today start a new reaction, formation of acyl chloride. Formation of acyl chloride from carboxylic acid. From carboxylic acid. Look here, formation of acyl chloride from everybody by using PCl3, PCl5. Next is a SOCl2. SOCl2 means a thionyl chloride. SOCl2 means a thionyl chloride. Look here first, a reaction with the PCl3. A reaction with PCl3. Look here, pen carboxylic acid or COOH. What is this? 3. Why? By using the PCl3. What is this? Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Look here, pen carboxylic acid is heated with PCl3. Is heated with PCl3. In this reaction, OH minus ions is replaced by a Cl minus ions. Here, how many OH here? 3. How many Cl here? 3. Everybody here, thrice. You know, RCOCl. Name of the compound? Acyl chloride. Acyl chloride plus H3PO3 oblique POH thrice. Okay, what is this? This is the phosphorus acid. Look here, simple. Pen carboxylic acid. Pen carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride. Reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. Pen carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. It gives corresponding, okay, acyl chloride. It gives corresponding acyl chloride. Okay, this is the general reaction. You know, general. Look here, next is a specific reaction, everybody. A simple questions. Look here, a simple question. What is the action of phosphorus trichloride? What is the action of? Okay, what is the action of phosphorus trichloride on? You know, acetic acid means CH3COOH. Name of the compound acetic acid. Look here, IUPAC names ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Look here, pen ethanoic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. You know here how many OH? 3. 3 OH replaced by 3 Cl. Means compound here CH3CO, okay, Cl. Name of the compound acetyl chloride. Name of the compound acetyl chloride. IUPAC names ethanoyl chloride. How many mole here? Okay, thrice mole. Look here, simple question here. What is the action of the phosphorus trichloride? What is the action of a phosphorus trichloride on acetic acid? IUPAC names ethanoic acid. Look here, answer. When a acetic acid here, when acetic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride, it gives acetyl chloride. It gives acetyl chloride. Okay, a simple, everybody, a simple questions here. Look here, next questions. Next. Look here, next questions here. Simple. What is the action of a phosphorus trichloride on a propionic acid? You know propionic acid, how many here? Thrice. CH3, CH2, COOH. Common name propionic acid. Okay, propionic acid. IUPAC name of this compound propionic acid. Look here, when propionic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride. Simple, in this reaction, how many OH are? 3. 3 OH replaced by 3 Cl. Repeat, 3 OH replaced by 3 Cl. You know product thrice. CH3. Next CH2. Next, okay. Next is a CO. Like COCl. Propionyl chloride. Propionyl chloride. Propionyl chloride. Repeat the answer. When propionic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride, it gives a propionyl chloride. Look here, simple concept here. Only in this reaction, OH minus replaced by the Cl minus H. You know here, formation of acyl chloride by using a PCl3. By using PCl3. Okay? Yes. Next. Look here. Next reaction. Everybody second. A reaction with the PCl5. Next reaction with PCl5. Reaction with PCl5. Correct? Yes. You know general reaction. Everybody general reaction with carboxylic acid. What is this? Carboxylic acid. Look here, in this reaction, OH replaced by Cl. Name of the compound, phosphorus pentachloride. Name of the compound, phosphorus pentachloride. You know, here, heating. Look here, R, next, CO, next, Cl, plus POCl3, plus HCl. Your name of compound here, acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. Repeat the answer, everybody. Repeat here explanation. When carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus pentachloride. When carboxylic acid is heated with a phosphorus pentachloride, it gives corresponding acyl chloride. It gives corresponding acyl chloride. Repeat all of you. When carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives corresponding acyl chloride. Look here, how many OH replaced by the Cl? Only one. In case of PCl3, 3 OH replaced by the 3 Cl, but in case of PCl5, a 1 OH replaced by 1 Cl. Okay, a formation of acyl chloride. Formation of acyl chloride. Okay, yes. Look here, simple question. What is the action of PCl5? What is the action of PCl5 on acetic acid or ethanoic acid? You know here, acetic acid. You know acetic acid. Next name, ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. Correct. Ethanoic acid. IUPAC name of these compounds. Look at heated with PCl5. It gives simple concept here. OH replaced by the Cl means CS3, CO, next Cl. Okay. Common name acetyl chloride. Common name acetyl chloride. IUPAC name ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. Look here, when acetic acid is heated with PCl5. When acetic acid is heated with PCl5, it gives acetyl chloride. It gives acetyl chloride. Simple concept. In this reaction, OH replaced by the Cl. You know heading, formation of acyl chloride. This is the example of a acetyl chloride by using PCl5. By using PCl5. Okay? Yes. POCl3 means phosphoryl chloride in HCl. POCl3, phosphoryl chloride. Look here, a next question. What is the action of PCl5? What is the action of PCl5 on propionic acid? Like this, CH3, next CH2, next CO, next OH. Propionic acid, common name. Propionic acid. IUPAC name propionic acid. Heated with PCl5. Is heated with a PCl5. It gives CH3, next CH2, CO, Cl. Propionyl chloride. You know propionyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. Plus HCl. Repeat all of you. When propionic acid is heated with the PCl5, it gives a propionyl chloride. Propionyl chloride. Okay. Complete the second reaction. Reaction with the PCl5. You know main heading here in this reaction, formation of acyl chloride. You know, first reaction, the reaction with the PCl3. And second reaction, everybody, a reaction with the PCl5. Look here, everybody, a last reaction, you know, a last reaction, a reaction with thionyl chloride. Third, a reaction with thionyl chloride. You know thionyl chloride, everybody, SOCl2. You know third reaction with, okay, reaction with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. You know thionyl chloride, SOCl2, also called as sulfonyl chloride. Sulfonyl chloride. This is the best method. Okay, a preparation of acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid. This is the best method. Look here, a general reaction. Here carboxylic acid, RCOOH, name of the compound. Carboxylic acid. Look here, faint carboxylic acid is reacted with or heated with SOCl. Look here, in this reaction, OH replaced by the Cl. Also, reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. A nucleophilic, a substitution reaction. Means product here RCOCl. Name of the compound, acyl chloride. Name of the compound, acyl chloride. Plus SO2, gas. HCl, also gas. Look here, faint carboxylic acid is heated with a thionyl chloride or sulfonyl chloride. It gives corresponding acyl chloride. This is the best method for preparation of acyl chloride by using SOCl2. Why? In this reaction, both byproduct are gases. They can easily remove to form a pure compound acyl chloride. To form a pure compound acyl chloride. Repeat everybody. In this reaction, both byproduct means SO2 and HCl, both are gases. They can easily remove. They can easily remove and to form, okay, no need of any, okay, no need, okay, no need in this reaction any hard work here, because look here, in this reaction both SO2 and HCl, both are gases. They can easily remove it to form a pure acyl chloride. This is the best method for preparation of a acyl chloride from carboxylic acid by using SOCl2. By using SOCl2. Okay? Yes. Look here, next is the, next, simple question, what is the action of? Look here, what is the action of SOCl2 on acetic acid? Look here, acetic acid. IUPAC, name of this compound, ethanoic acid. When acetic acid is heated with SOCl2, it gives simple acetyl chloride. Simple acetyl chloride. Okay? Yes. Look here. When acetic acid is heated with SOCl2, it gives acetyl chloride. Actually, reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. This is the best method for preparation of acetyl chloride, because in this reaction, both byproduct are gases. They can easily remove. Okay? Yes. Look here, next reaction, next questions here, last question. Okay? In this reaction, what is the action of SOCl2 on propionic acid? Propionic acid. You know here, CH3, CH2, CO, OH, name of the compound, propionic acid. You know propionic acid. Look here, faint propionic acid is heated with SOCl2. It gives like this, CH3, CH2. Name of the compound, propionyl chloride. Propionyl chloride. Okay? Repeat. Look here, faint propionic acid, everybody, faint propionic acid is heated with SOCl2 or thionyl chloride, sulfonyl chloride. It gives a propionyl chloride. Look here, heading formation of acyl chloride by using, first is the PCl3, second the PCl5, and third is the SOCl2. Okay, complete this video or this lecture, formation of acyl chloride. Okay, thank you.